DJI is shaking up the action camera world once again. Fresh reports hint that a brand new Osmo Action model is in development, and it's likely coming in early 2025. Fans of DJI are already buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. The previous version was already a serious challenger to the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Now, if DJI enhances the battery life, stabilization, and image quality, this next release could change the game entirely. Here at Technify, we've been keeping a close eye on the latest tech shifts, and this potential launch has all the signs of being a big one. According to recent regulatory filings, DJI is actively developing the Osmo Action 6, and it looks like there may even be more than one version on the way. Imagine having the option to pick between different models that suit your creative needs. So, what exactly can we expect from this upcoming release? Let's dive into the latest details and explore everything we know so far. Our first clue about the Osmo Action 6 came through regulatory paperwork filed in the United States. These documents were spotted by Notebook Check and clearly name the device, but interestingly, they don't use the word Pro. That might mean DJI is planning more than one variant, such as a standard and a high-performance version. While there's no official word yet, these filings are a strong indication that development is well underway. Additional filings in Switzerland add weight to the idea that the camera is close to launching. Usually, when products appear in documents like these, it means they're just a few months out. So a first quarter 2025 release feels pretty likely. This quick turnaround also shows how committed DJI is to staying ahead in the action camera race. One exciting detail found in the documents is the mention of Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi. That suggests users can expect faster wireless transfers and better remote control features, something creators will definitely appreciate. Another standout point is the listing of two battery capacities, 1770 mAh and 1950 mAh. This difference hints at the possibility of two separate models. Perhaps a base model for casual users and a more premium version for professionals who need extended performance. The Osmo Action series is already known for its compact form and feature-rich design. But there's still plenty of room to grow. One likely upgrade is improved low-light performance, perfect for capturing more detail during night shoots or in dim settings. There's also a good chance DJI will include a sharper image sensor for higher resolution video, which is becoming more important as creators push for better visual quality. A faster processor might also be in the works, offering smoother recording and better responsiveness in menu navigation. And of course, improved battery life is always a welcome addition, especially for those who use action cameras during long adventures or in cold environments where battery drain is a big concern. Stabilization is another area where DJI might take a leap forward. It wouldn't be surprising if the Osmo Action 6 uses AI-powered stabilization to make action footage look even smoother and more cinematic. Whether you're biking down a mountain trail or filming underwater, this kind of tech could make a major difference. Rumors also suggest DJI may introduce new shooting modes, possibly including higher frame rates for slow-motion shots and better HDR options for dealing with tricky lighting. These features would allow users to get more creative while still keeping footage crisp and dynamic. Another improvement we could see is more durable construction and enhanced waterproofing. This would make the camera even more reliable in extreme sport scenarios or during rugged outdoor shoots. Durability is a big deal for action camera users, and DJI seems to understand that well. With all these potential upgrades, the Osmo Action 6 could solidify DJI's position as a top contender in the action camera space. Their last model already stood toe-to-toe with the GoPro, and this one might just push them ahead. If DJI delivers what fans are hoping for, the Osmo Action 6 could mark a major evolution in design, features, and performance. While we don't yet have all the specs or an exact release date, the buzz around the Osmo Action 6 is growing fast. And based on what we've seen so far, it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting action cameras on the horizon. From upgraded connectivity to new battery options, better stabilization, and possibly improved durability, there's a lot to look forward to. DJI has a strong track record of delivering meaningful updates with each generation, and the Osmo Action 6 seems like it will be no exception. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a content creator, or someone who just loves capturing everyday moments with cinematic flair, this camera is one to watch. Here at Technify, we'll be keeping a close eye on all the latest news as we move closer to launch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future updates on the Osmo Action 6 and other cutting-edge gear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.